Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2011 Ford Fiesta in the shop, and I'm going to show you the location of the horn assembly and how to get to it. So we're going to start off with opening the hood. We raise the hood up, and the horn assembly is on the passenger side, and it's underneath the actual headlamp assembly. So you have to remove the headlamp. So what you're going to need is a T30 Torx bit and a body clip tool to remove this one clip. So we'll start with the body clip tool. Slide it up underneath. Pull that tab right out. And pull the base of it out. Set that aside. Then you're going to grab your T30 and remove the 3 mounting bolts locations. Seems like the hood rod is just a little bit in the way, but you can work around it easily. We are going to take the assembly right out, the headlamp assembly, so you're going to disconnect the electrical connectors. So with a firm hand, I'm going to grab up the back here and pull this tab right out. And now it's going to slide this way, just a hair. I'm going to disconnect this electrical connector. Then the harness, that connector. Now we can pull that right up. Set that aside. And there's the horn assembly right here. It's got an 8mm mounting bolt and the electrical connector down here. So I'm going to spray that mounting bolt. Get a socket. Okay, with an 8mm socket, I'm going to put it right on the head of that bolt and break her free. Now we can see the electrical connector a little bit better. You can lift it up and work with it easier. There's the tab. I'm going to push down that tab and release the harness. Now to reinstall, you're going to reverse procedure. If you were to buy a horn, if you didn't get the factory horn and you got a universal horn, it's going to come with its own bracket and new connectors to splice into the horn assembly. It's basically a 2-wire, so if it doesn't have it so that you can adapt the old connector, factory style, then you're going to splice your wires and put them on the spades. Reconnect. This has a mounting tab on it. Put the bolt in. Get your socket, tighten it up. Just has to be hand tight. I don't have to torque it or anything. Now we can reassemble our lamp assembly. Make sure you guide the plastic into the bumper cover. Line that up. I'm going to put the electrical connectors on before I slant the assembly down in. Hear it click into place. Okay. Pretty much falls right down into place. Now we're going to put that plastic tab back in first. and I've got 3 mounting torque head bolts. Start them by hand. Make sure they're all lined up properly. Then I'll take my T30 and I'll snug them down. There we go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.